Now we are talking about the Huntington disease. Huntington disease is the autosomal dominant degeneration of the striatal neuron. That is the Huntington disease is the autosomal dominant disease. In this disease, there is the degeneration of striatal neuron of striatal neuron. It is always genetic. No sporadic cases are reported. Always genetic. In the Huntington disease, there is the mutation in the Huntington protein gene. There is mutation in Huntington protein gene. The Huntington protein gene or HTT gene. Gene. This gene are express the Huntington protein. The Huntington protein are 348 Kd protein. Huntington protein are 348 Kd protein, and when the mutation in these HTT gene occur, there is the abnormal expression of the Huntington protein. The mutation occur on the chromosome number 4 Q16.3. Chromosome number 4 Q16.3. In normal individual, the HTT gene contains 6 to 35 copies of CAG repeat sequence in abnormal condition. The HTT sequence increases beyond 35. They increases more than 35 copies. More than 35 copies when occur, there is Huntington disease develop. Huntington disease develop. This mutation in the HTT gene are mainly during spermatogenesis. This mutation mainly occur during spermatogenesis. So the paternal transmission is associated with early onset. There is paternal transmission. Only paternal transmission, because spermatogenesis occur in the father. In the next generation, this paternal transmission occur, and this phenomena is called anticipation. Anticipation is the paternal transmission of these abnormal allele for the genes in the next generation. The normal function of Huntington protein normal function. Huntington protein normal function are unknown. Huntington expressed in all body tissues. Huntington protein expressed in all body tissues, but the deleterious effect only found in the CNS, but the deleterious effect only found in particular part of CNS, In this particular part of CNS, the deleterious effects are found. There is the protein aggregation, intranuclear inclusion of the Huntington protein occur. There is intranuclear inclusions of Huntington protein aggregation. Huntington protein inclusions are occur. This is the hallmark of the Huntington disease, and this intranuclear inclusion spread. They spread and they may affect the brain growth factor that are called BDNF, brain derived neurotrophic peptide, that are affected. Brain derived neurotrophic peptide or factor are affected. The morphology. Now we discuss the morphology of the Huntington disease. There is atrophy of the caudate nucleus in Huntington disease. Atrophy of caudate nucleus in Huntington disease. Potamin may be involved later stage, but rarely potamin also involved. The globus pallidus are secondary involvement. Globus pallidus or secondary atrophy occur in the globus pallidus. The globus pallidus secondary atrophy occur. There is the lateral and third ventricle dilatation. Lateral and third ventricle dilatation also found. Lateral and third ventricle dilatation. Atrophy of the frontal lobe more commonly occur. There is atrophy of frontal lobe mainly occur, and other lobe atrophy are rarely occur. Small and medium sized neurons are affected more. Neurons are affected in the Huntington disease. That is small and medium sized neurons are affected more. Especially the GABA aminobutyric acid neurons are especially affected. GABA aminobutyric acid neurons are especially affected. And diphorase positive and cholinesterase positive are not involved. The neurons not involved are not involved. Diphorase positive and cholinesterase positive are not involved. Diphorase positive express the nitric oxide synthase, and there is transmission of these intranuclear inclusion in the prion like pattern. that found in neuron. The cerebral cortex are mainly involved. The clinical features of the Huntington disease is loss of medium size, that is loss of small and medium sized neuron, and this neuron involvement is dysregulation of basal ganglia, dysregulation of the basal ganglia, that when dysregulated basal ganglia, they increase the motor output, when the motor output are increases because of the loss of the medium sized neuron, there is chorioathetosis occur. Chorioathetosis occur mostly in 4 to 5th decade of life. They are mainly affected. Involuntary jerking movements of all parts of the body are common. Involuntary movement of all parts of body occur. They are called chorea. Chorea are common in this Huntington disease. There is forgetfulness and risk of suicide. The intercurrent infection is the most common cause of the death. So there is a quick review about Huntington disease. Huntington disease is autosomal dominant disease. There is degeneration of the striatal neuron. It always genetic. Mutation in Huntington protein occur. Huntington protein R348KD protein. The gene mutation in Huntington are HTT gene on the chromosome number 4 Q16.3. The HTT gene normally contains 6 to 35 copies of a CAG repeat sequence. When these copy increases beyond the 35 copies, Huntington disease develop. During the spermatogenesis, there is paternal transmission that are called antiception. In the antiception, there is called, the phenomena is called antiception. The risk for the paternal transmission. Huntington disease protein function are unknown, but it involve all parts of the tissue. It present the Huntington protein present in all parts of the body tissue, but the deleterious effect only occur in a particular part of the CNS. There is intranuclear inclusion of Huntington disease. This is the hallmark of the Huntington disease, and they may affect on the BDNF of the growth factor of the brain. The morphology of the Huntington disease is the atrophy of the caudate nucleus are seen, and potamen are also seen. In the globus pallidus, secondary atrophy occurs in the globus pallidus. Lateral and third ventricle dilatation are also present. Atrophy of the frontal lobe are more commonly involved. The neurons involved are small and medium sized neurons are affected more, but the large sized neurons are also involved, especially the GABA aminobutyric acid neuron or medium sized neuron, that is intermediate sized neurons, are especially affected. The neurons are not involved that are diphorase positive and cholinesterase positive that are not involved. The diphorase positive express the nitric oxide synthase. A clinical feature of the Huntington disease is the dysregulation of the basal ganglia. In the dysregulation of the basal ganglia, when occur, they increase the motor output. Due to increase the motor output pathway, there is choreoathetosis occur. And this disease occur 4 to 5th decade of life. There is involuntary movement of all parts of the body in chorea occur. Forgetfulness are also common, and the risk of suicide and thought disorder are also common. Intercurrent infection is the most common cause of the death.